from your side related to the formation of the equation?
No, sir.
Okay, so now can anyone tell me the value of this current? I just check next slide. Can anyone tell me the value of this equation? 100, 35i, 30i, and 85i, which is now
0.6
equal to.
ampere.
Okay, so implies, I think you have to take all the parameters on right hand side with the addition 35 plus 30 plus 85. I think negative sign all get transferred to positive into I, and it is 35, 85, it is 5, 5, 90,
150.
90, 60,
150.
150. So it is 150 I, and therefore I is equal to 100 upon
0.06
150.
ampere.
So it is equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So 2 by 3, and I think its value is 0.667 ampere. Is it clear to all? Hopefully, please write down this particular numerical. I'm there on. Okay, so students, are you clear with this numerical? होपफुली मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा आपको डिटेल दिया है बट लाइक is these details are sufficient to understand the numerical, because few of the students have newly joined, no? So I wanted to have that interaction also so that everyone can understand this. So hopefully everyone understood this particular numerical, that is the formation of equation for a given circuit. This is what the simple circuit which we considered, but now we have to form an equation at the same time we have to form a matrix for next numerical. Okay, so shall I show you next slide? The recording has started. Yes, 10-15 minutes left, but it is always better to keep recording or the videos of the lecture small so that everyone can see that and take the interest into it. क्योंकि वीडियोस अगर 1 घंटे के या उससे ज़्यादा रहते हैं तो कई बार स्टूडेंट्स इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेते हैं. सो students, I just want to communicate that I allow students late. Like in fact, I don't mind if the student is joining before their attendance taking, right? But please keep this point in mind that like whenever we are paying somewhere, like we should get the return of it. हम लोग अगर कहीं पर कुछ चीज़ के लिए पे कर रहे हैं तो वो चीज़ हमारे पास आनी चाहिए. And like you are not paying a small amount for that, like you are paying a huge fees to the college, maybe from the government or maybe from the personal pocket. So it is always better to have like that दैट उतना एक वो चीज़ रहनी चाहिए कि अगर मैं पे कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे उसके बदले में जो चीज़ मिल रही है इट इज़ टू बी वर्थ, राइट? So if students are joining late, I don't mind, but instead of joining late, it's better to join at time, on time. Okay. Fine. So I think all of you have completed with this third numerical. Now I just want to take fourth. Okay. So now I just take numerical number 4. So fine. So numerical number 4 is like this. So I think I'm audible to all. Tejaswini Alam.
Sir.
आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं बराबर से?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us consider this as 220 volt positive यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. Then the values of resistors 10 ohms. This is 20 ohms. This is 30 ohm. 30 ohm. So this is what the circuit which is given here. Okay. Now अगर हम लोग जो पिछला प्रोसेस हम लोग देखें, we can follow that last process also. Now first of all, how many number of loops are present? First.
2.
Yes. So number of loops are 2. Forget about super loop because here the concept of super loop is not required. So number of loops are 2. Can you tell me how to get the number of loops for given network? Anyone?
E minus n
E
plus
minus
1.
n plus 1.
Very
E
good.
minus n plus 1.
Very good. How many number of elements are present in this particular circuit?
5.
5.
5.
5.
5. Number of nodes for the circuit?
4.
4. Or more than that?
5.
Okay.
5.
5 nodes. अच्छा ठीक है. दिस इज नोड नंबर 1 क्योंकि ये यहाँ वोल्टेज सोर्स और ये रेजिस्टेंस को कनेक्ट कर रहा है, बराबर. अब यह रेजिस्टेंस आप देख सकते हो कि दिस इज कनेक्टिंग get connected with 2 more resistances 30 and 20 ohms. So this is node number 2. Then this is our node number 3 because it is connecting 30 and 30 ohms, right? Then we will see. अब यहाँ पर ये एक नोड बन रहा है, this is another node and this is last node. But all these nodes are connected on same path, यानी एक ही पाथ पे ये नोड. आप कह सकते हो कि ये एक ही रोड है जहां पर इन 3 एलिमेंट्स के माने 220 वोल्ट 20 ohms और 30 ohms का एंड है. So can I say this is your common node? Yes sir, you can say common node. So this is our common node. So how many number of nodes are present now?
4.
4. Very good. 4 plus 1. I think all of you can do the calculation. So it comes out to be 3.
2.
2. Okay. So number of nodes are equal to 2. Very good. Now, if the number of loops are 2, the loop current which we have to consider to be 2. अब थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनना कि मैं क्या बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है. अब मैं क्लियर कट एक एक सेंटेंस में आप लोगों को बताते जाऊंगा. So please be careful and please be attentive. First, पॉजिटिव यहां पर ऊपर में है, सो देयरफॉर इस पर्टिकुलर लूप का करंट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, passes to through 10 ohm, then 20 ohm and back to the negative terminal, and therefore the loop current follows the clockwise path. Loop 1 current follows the clockwise path. So loop 1 current is represented as I1. The same orientation we have to give for the second loop. It is always better to consider the same orientation which we are considering for loop 1. We have to consider it for the other loops. So for second loop, the orientation of the loop current is again clockwise. Don't take it as anti-clockwise. It is always better to take it clockwise when we form a matrix for any of the equation, for any of the circuit. So loop current for second loop is also clockwise and its value is I2. So as we said, there are two loops present in this circuit, that is loop 1 and loop 2, which is represented as Roman 1, Roman 2. So loop 1 I1, loop 2 I2. Is it clear with this concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are just considering both the loop currents as clockwise. Don't take any of the loop current as anti-clockwise. You can take, but that has to have the polarities positive and negative of the source. यहाँ पर पोलैरिटी सोर्स की कैसी है, पॉजिटिव ऊपर है, अब डेफिनेटली करंट जो शुरू होगा वो इस पॉजिटिव प्लेट से शुरू होगा, और अगर पॉजिटिव प्लेट से शुरू होगा तो वो पाथ फॉलो करेगा जिसमें आपने एलिमेंट्स कनेक्ट करके रखे हैं, and that is nothing but the clockwise. So clockwise for loop 1 and hence clockwise for loop 2. अगर यहाँ पर आपका loop 3 रहता है, उसका ओरिएंटेशन आप कैसे लेते? Again clockwise, again clockwise. Okay, now for this particular loop, can anyone tell me the equation for mesh analysis, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law? Mesh analysis
20.
by using Kirchhoff's voltage law. Okay, you are saying, can you start from the voltage source?
220
Yes, sir. Plus
Okay.
220.
Okay, loop 1 I am writing here plus 220
minus 10
Minus 10I.
minus 10I. Perfect. Shall I write 10
Minus
I1?
20I.
Yes, sir.
Shall I write minus 10 I1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, minus
20
I1.
I1.
okay minus 20 I1. But this particular resistance of 20I which you are telling me is the intermediate resistance, right, where the current I1 is flowing downward and current I2 is moving upward. It means both the currents are in opposition. Both the currents are in opposition. So here, if I just consider I1 is greater than I2, then I can write I1 minus I2. Are you getting my point? अगर मैं I1 ये I2 से ज्यादा है, बड़ा है, तो I can write I1 minus I2. But अगर आप कहो कि सर नहीं I2 is greater than I1, तो I can write it as I2 minus I1. Right? Now, when we write the equation for this loop, यानी जब आप लोग इस loop 1 के लिए इक्वेशन लिख रहे हो, then you have to consider I1 minus I2. Why I1 minus I2? Because there are two currents passing through this 20 ohm resistor. 20 से पास होने वाले दो करंट्स है, एक है आपका I1 और दूसरा है I2. Is it clear with this point? अब आप कहोगे कि सर क्या यहाँ पर मुझे माइनस साइन लिखना जरूरी है? Yes, because we have to follow the orientation of this I1, and with respect to this I1, the positive is assigned here where that current enters, and automatically the other side becomes negative. So the moment of the current is from positive to negative, and therefore it is get assigned with the minus sign. Now, what is that voltage drop for this 20 ohm resistor? यहाँ पर आपका voltage drop क्या होगा? The voltage drop across 20 ohm is
20.
equal to minus sign, definitely 20. But can you tell me the value of current? Now the value of current is
I1.
I1 minus I2. So therefore, this current should be, sorry, this current should be I1 minus I2. क्या आपका यहाँ पर लूप 1 एलिमेंट्स कंप्लीट हो गए? यस, वी हैव कंसीडर्ड 220 इन द लूप, then 10 ohms in the loop and 20 ohms in the loop. There is no element left in this particular loop, and therefore it is equal to 0. What Kirchhoff's voltage law says? It says that summation of V is equal to 0. And therefore plus 220 minus 10 I1 minus 20 I1 minus I2 equal to 0. Now I just rearrange the terms in terms of currents. So therefore what I can get is 220 on, I just keep it on the left hand side, equal to, ध्यान से देखना, equal to this minus sign becomes plus, ये आपका माइनस साइन प्लस हो जाएगा, ये माइनस साइन आपका प्लस हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट यू कैन राइट इज 10 I1 बराबर प्लस 20 I1 माइनस 20 I2, okay, equal to, now 10 plus 20 30, that belongs to I1 minus 20 I2. So 20 belongs, minus 20 belongs to I2. So that is what the value of equal to 20, and implies, I just write like that, like this, 30 I1 minus 20 I2 is equal to 220, is equal to 220. Now this is my equation number 1. This is my equation number 1. मैंने यहाँ पर रेड कलर यूज किया हुआ है. कैन ऑल ऑफ यू सी दैट रेड कलर? Hopefully there is no problem with this red color. Okay, now can you tell me the equation for loop 2? Can you tell me the okay, do you need this particular concept to be written? Okay, I just keep it for some time. यहाँ पर मैं कुछ समय के लिए रख देता हूँ, and then later on I'll erase it because I just need this particular space. Fine. Now loop 2. Now loop 2. Yes. Let us start with the single resistance and its voltage drop. Repeat कर रहा हूँ मैं खुद को. Let us start with the single resistance and its voltage drop. So please start from 30 ohms horizontal branch. Yes.
minus
Minus 30 I2.
Very good. Minus 30 I2. Perfect.
minus 30 I2 again.
30 I2.
Minus 30 I2. मेरे ख्याल से किसी एक का आवाज बराबर नहीं आ रहा है. Can you just make it louder? Yes. So minus 30 I2 यानी ये हो गया आपका. Then minus 30 I2 यानी ये हो गया. Why minus? Because the current which enters into that resistance assigned with positive sign, the other side get assigned with negative. Current which is entering into this vertical branch of 30 ohms get assigned with positive, the other side becomes negative. Okay, now
Minus 20 I2
minus 20 I2 minus I1.
minus 20
I2 minus I1.
I2 minus I1. Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is equal to, is there any other element left in this? No, so it is equal to 0. ठीक है, अब now it is equal to 0, right? So again rearrange the terms. अब आप यहाँ पर terms फिर से rearrange करोगे. अब terms rearrange करते वक्त आपको ध्यान में रखना है, यहाँ पर माइनस साइन है, यहाँ पर माइनस साइन है, यहाँ पर माइनस साइन, बराबर है. अब यहाँ पर आपका I2 है, यहाँ पर I2 है, and here in the bracket is also I2. In this particular bracket there is I2, right? So what I can write now? Now I can write it down as, please check very carefully. Okay, just a second guys, because I don't want to make any mistake here. So मैं अभी जो लिखने वाला हूँ ना, that you don't write because I just want to clear myself first, because I don't want to create any like misunderstanding here for this particular equation formation. because we have already assigned positive and negative sign here in on the 20 ohm branch. So again, giving that positive negative sign on this particular side of the current entrance is not good, because we have already assigned positive negative sign on this 20 ohm branch. So as per my knowledge, we have to follow this positive negative sign which is already given on this 20 ohm branch when we consider the equation for I2. Okay, but let me know whether I am correct or not, because just check. Okay, अब यहाँ पर आपका आ जाएगा अब आपका आ जाएगा -30 I2, correct? So I just make it faster. 30 I2 again, right? Then -20 I2 and +20 I1, +20 I1, because minus minus becomes plus, it is equal to 0, and therefore equation becomes 20 I1, correct, and -30, -30 60, -20 80, so -80 I2. This is what the equation is equal to 0, is equal to 0. That is what the equation which we are getting for this particular numerical. Okay, now this is our numerical number, equation number 2. So we are getting these two equations. Now let us write those two equations here. So the equation is 30 I1 20 I2. 30 I1 minus 20 I2, okay, it is equal to 220. That is what our equation 1. And 20 I1, okay, minus 80 I2 equal to 0. That is our equation number 2. I just want to have this. Okay, now let us form a matrix. अच्छा, मैट्रिक्स में सिर्फ एक चेंज होगा, मैं आपको बताता हूँ वो क्या होगा. ठीक है, नाउ लेट अस फॉर्म अ मैट्रिक्स. अब मुझे मैट्रिक्स कैसे चाहिए? आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू नो हाउ टू क्रिएट अ मैट्रिक्स फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन. मैथमेटिक्स में आप लोगों ने कहीं पर मैट्रिक्स फॉर्मेशन पढ़ चुके होंगे. तो कैन एनीवन टेल मी दैट मैट्रिक्स फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन? अच्छा, इक्वल टू के बाद ओनली देयर आर टू टर्म्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट. वन इज 220 एंड अनदर इज 0. सो हियर वी गेट अ 1/2 मैट्रिक्स. यहाँ पर आपको जो मिलेगा इट इज करेक्ट है, 1/2 मैट्रिक्स.
यस सर.
ओके, अब यहाँ पर जो दो टर्म्स है, यानी जो वेरिएबल्स है आपके I1 एंड I2. ये दो वेरिएबल्स है I1 I2 दोनों इक्वेशन में. सो इट मींस यहाँ पर आपका फिर से 1/2 में मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा, दैट इज I1 एंड I2. करेक्ट है? नाउ
Yes,
कैन यू टेल मी द कांस्टेंट वैल्यूज इन दिस 2/2 मैट्रिक्स?
30
30
minus
20
20
20
minus
80.
6.
No,
30
no.
minus
30 minus
30
20
minus 20,
20 and 2 minus 80.
minus 80.
20 minus 80. 20 minus 80. Okay, just a second, because we have already given a sign there ना, वहाँ पर हम लोग already एक sign दे चुके हैं. So I think we cannot consider again the sign convention for that current. Just a second. Okay, you do one thing. यहाँ पर आप लोग यहाँ तक लिख लीजिए. You just write down up to this particular point. एक सिर्फ small change होगा. So shall I show the first slide? All of you please write down this. I'll just take it from Hello, am I audible? Yes. Okay. So guys, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले कहा था कि like here we have already given positive negative sign. So while writing the expression for even for second loop, you have to follow the same sign convention because you have already assigned a sign convention to this resistance. Yes, definitely it is. It depends on the amount of current which is starting in that loop, right? But you have already assigned, no? So therefore, you have to follow the same sign convention while writing the expression for loop number 2. अब loop number 2 में क्या हो रहा है? This current is entering from this particular side where the negative is there, and it get exit from this side, other side where the positive is present. So it means the moment of current for this particular resistance of 20 ohm is negative to positive. It is negative to positive, and if it is negative to positive, what you have to do? You just have to mention. Please check carefully. Negative to positive. You just have to write this as positive. That's all. If this is positive, then what you get is minus 30 plus 20 I2 plus 20 I2. Correct है क्या? देखो, I am again doing some mistake. Okay. बोलिए.
Correct.
Correct है? नहीं ना?
-20 I1.
Minus
-20 I1.
minus 20 I1 minus I2. अगर आप ले रहे हो I2 minus I1 means you are saying I2 is greater, but you are getting, if you write it as plus 20 means you are considering I2 greater. Okay, can you just keep this particular loop 2 equation? अभी फिलहाल के लिए हम लोग ऐसे ही रखते हैं. Anyhow, it is 11:20. I cannot extend my lecture further. आप यहीं पे कंसेप्ट छोड़ दीजिए. मैं आपको दोपहर में ये बता देता हूँ इसका इक्वेशन, क्योंकि क्या ना, गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. एक बार मैं इसको सॉल्व करके देख लूँ, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई कैन कमेंट ऑन इट. ओके, फाइन. सो इसका फाइनल आंसर मैं आपको बताता हूँ. आई जस्ट टेल यू इन द आफ्टरनून, बिकॉज एक छोटा चेंज यहाँ पर मुझे मैट्रिक्स मेरा गलत कर देगा, and that will give me maybe positive or negative value, but that current may change. So presently I will not comment on the final answer.
So -20 I1, -40 I2.
-20 I1 minus I2 you are saying, right?
-20 I1 -40 I2 is equals to 0.
मैं एक बार बताता हूँ आपको, आफ्टरनून में बता देता हूँ. अच्छा,
Okay,
can I take one extra lecture in the afternoon? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
3 to 4, 3 to 3:50.
Yes, sir.
3 to 3:50.
No, sir. There is.
हाँ आदित्य बोलिए. Pardon. Yes, नितिन.
लेक्चर है सर, क्लास है
प्लस का क्लास है सर.
हाँ, आपका NPTEL का क्लास है ना?
नहीं, वो त्रिवेणी मैम ले रही है.
अच्छा, त्रिवेणी मैम is taking from 3 to 3:50.
यस सर.
Okay, shall I take if possible? यानी मैं आपको अभी नहीं बता सकता, but if I take 2 to 2:50, is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
है ना? यानी आपका NPTEL अभी मेरे ख्याल से थर्ड लेक्चर इज मैथ्स का लेक्चर एंड फोर्थ लेक्चर इज NPTEL का लेक्चर. सो अगर मेरा मीटिंग जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है, लाइक बिफोर 2 o'clock, देन आई मे कंडक्ट योर क्लास फ्रॉम 2 to 2:50. ओके, so NPTEL के लिए presently I'll just try to share one video and related quiz. Related to that, I was just wanted to like create a quiz, but I'll try to give you one YouTube video related to that particular quiz, so that you can hear it and accordingly you can solve the quiz. Fine. So today I'll do that. Fine. Okay, so let us close the lecture. So all of you, please give your attendance. Please give your attendance as per the roll call. Don't enter any of the roll number in between. Don't enter, don't write, don't type any of the roll number in between the roll call. Okay, and it should be in a sequence, like 1 to 10. If it is set, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, if it is entering, no, it would be better for you, so that better for me. Okay, so now all of you, please enter your attendance, roll number 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Very good. Very nice. Next student, please be ready to enter their attendance. 11 to 20. 11 to 20. Very good. Sequence is nicely followed. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. 21 to 30. 21 to 30. 21 to 30. 30. Very good. 31 to 40. 31 to 40. Very good. 41 to 50. Siddhant, you made a... Okay. Then 51 to 54. Okay. Then DSY students, please enter your attendance and please type there DSY. 57 Sagar DSY. 57 DSY. 58 DSY. 62 DSY. I think two more students has got the roll numbers 64 and 65. 64 and 65. Just a second. One student got 64. I'll just tell you this. Monishka, yours is 64. Tejaswani, yours is 65.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so have you entered the roll number as per that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So how are you, Monishka? I have called you at the start of the lecture. So how are you?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. And how old are you? Okay. I
I'm
don't want to
20,
ask
sir.
this. Okay, ठीक है बेटा. बस मैंने आपको ऐसे ही पूछा. Monishka, have you understood the concept? Even the Tejaswini, have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So hopefully आपको मैं आज अगर एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर होता है तो उसमें आपको मैं देखूं, and if possible in the next lectures. Okay. So
Okay, sir. Okay,
yeah.
sir.
Have a nice day for time being. Good day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Hello, sir.
Yes, beta.
So my total current KM is 8.8 ampere. The I1 is equals to 3.7 ampere and I2 is equals to 5.1 ampere.
Okay. मैं एक बार उसको चेक कर लेता हूँ बेटा एंड उसके बाद मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. यानी मैं लाइक आई जस्ट अप्लाई दिस ओम्स लॉ एंड करंट डिवीजन रूल और उसके बाद फिर मैं आपको बता देता हूँ.
So I have done through Ohm's.
ओके फाइन. ठीक है.
Thank you, sir.